The Homegrown Collection is your resource for ebooks from North Carolina writers and publishers. NC Live owns these ebooks, so users will have full simultaneous access to these titles forever. There are no checkouts, holds, or waitlists. Classes, book clubs, and even entire communities can read the same book at the same time. This collection also grows each year, thanks to our member library's support. Our Resource Advisory Committee selects new books for the collection. Then we purchase and maintain access to them on BiblioBoard. To find Homegrown, we'll start on the NC Live homepage. If you are accessing our resources remotely, don't forget to select your library to log in. The easiest way to find Homegrown is by using the Browse All Databases link and then jumping directly to the H section. Homegrown is organized into what BiblioBoard calls curations. The three main curations are fiction, nonfiction, and juvenile and young adult books. When you click Preview More from this curation, you can see all the subgenres that are represented in it. As you can see in nonfiction, there are travel guides, cookbooks, and history books. Many titles from UNC Press are available in Homegrown. We strive to offer a mix of titles that can appeal to a wide range of readers. You can also search for titles by clicking on the search bar in the top right corner of every page. This will give you a results page that you can then use to find your next read. To read a title, find the blue Read button near the title and author information at the top of the page. Once you open the reader view, there are lots of options for altering the screen to your liking. In order to make any notes or highlight sections, you'll need to create a basic account with an email address and a password. This account will also allow you to read offline using the BiblioBoard app on your phone, tablet, or Kindle Fire. To download an ebook, you'll need to download the BiblioBoard app from the App Store or the Google Play Store on your phone or tablet. For Kindle Fire, go to biblioboard.com/Kindle for the full instructions. It requires enabling sideloading in your Kindle settings. The full instructions for downloading titles to read offline on all devices are included in the description of this video. Looking to highlight some of the hidden gems of the Homegrown Collection? Check out our shared instructional and promotional materials LibGuide. We've put together plenty of social media graphics, flyers, and more marketing materials. Use them to promote content that might be unfamiliar to patrons. All right, let's look at the highlights for using the Homegrown Collection. There are no checkouts, holds, or wait lists with the Homegrown Collection. You can immediately access content. We've specifically selected titles that all readers can enjoy. You can find titles for your favorite hobbies, like cooking or gardening, or do research for your classes. You can read all titles on your phone, tablet, or Kindle as well, and you don't need any internet connection to do that. Links to additional Homegrown resources can be found in the description below, including instructions for reading offline. Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. If you are interested in learning more about our resources and skills that are relevant to librarianship, subscribe to the NC Live YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.